Hello everybody, I'm here, I'm at the Hen and Chickens Theatre where the play's happening, Corona Daze, in about a month's time, a bit nerve-wracking. So I'm just going up now, and what I really like about this is you get all these people like him, Frankie Boyle, that have done shows here before. Look at this guy. And then up we go into here, the theatre. Da, 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 da. This is the stage. And these are the gorgeous, sexy midnight blue velvet seats. This was actually the reason that I wanted to do it at the Hen and Chickens, because I thought these seats were so fantastic. And they come out as well. Hope you can make it.